Hello, everybody. Greetings whenever you watch this. It's been a while since I came over here and recorded a video. I apologize about that. It's been almost 2 weeks since I recorded a video. The thing is that I have already recorded videos, but then, I always record videos twice so as to see if there is any addition or subtraction to be done. But yeah, right now I'll be talking about how I complete my syllabus, a chapter per se, so quickly. It takes me on an average 15 hours to complete a chapter. Also, before that, I will give you a syllabus update of January on 22nd Feb. Shit happened in January and I extended the syllabus to 22 Feb. I'll be giving the update then. Maybe I'll give you an update even before that, but a solid syllabus update would come on 22nd of February 2025. Now that I have said that, let's move on to the important topic. How do I complete my syllabus or a chapter so quickly? And so the way I do it is through full lectures. I take lectures from 18 2.0. Right now I'll be talking about physics lectures because that is what most of you asked me for. The way I take physics lectures is that I play the lecture. Sir spends at least 7 minutes greeting us. He spends on an average 15 minutes per lecture scolding us and humiliating us, which is alright, which is a good thing. And he spends at least 3 minutes saying his goodbyes. If you add these minutes and subtract it from the total length of the lecture, you will find out that the lecture in normal speed is not more than 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is not. An average length of the lecture is 2 hours. 2 hours 15 minutes probably. I was doing ray optics the past day and the day before that. And I realized one thing. He has revised the previous lecture so many times in the next lecture. So I think there are 14 lectures in that chapter. Yeah. And what I noticed was that he has revised 3 lectures again in the next lectures. So essentially you could skip those lectures if you take full lectures. Also, since we're talking about ray optics, I need to mention this, that I have taken the aggregated one shots as well for a few topics in ray optics, and I've taken the extended explanations as well on a few topics. Like the latter part of the chapter was extended explanations, and the former part, the mirror and the lenses part, was one shots from YouTube. So there is that. So if you take the lectures in 2x, which I generally take my, not generally, I always take my lectures in 2x, no matter the subject. I take my lectures in 2x. If you take your lectures in 2x, and if you skip the part where sir greets us, where he says his goodbyes, and where he scolds us for not being good students, you would be able to realize that it is really not that lengthy of a lecture. And if you repeat whatever sir has, if you skip sir repeating everything that he has already told us, you would realize that the chapter length, like in total the number of lectures, it is actually really short. So if there are 14 lectures, essentially if you skip the repeated part, there would only be 12 lectures. I have noticed that in myself. Also, one more thing that you could do to complete your syllabus, to complete your chapters quickly, and as a result your syllabus quickly, which I will follow this actually. Now that the schedule is tight, I will take one shots of multiple chapters. I have seen the one shots of ray optics, and I have seen detailed lectures of ray optics, and I've come to realize that there is not really much difference between one shots and the detailed lectures, except for the part where sir literally derives every formula. I think that takes a lot of time, and the questions, of course. For the question, I see the questions because it is easier to see sir solve questions, precisely because he speaks while solving questions, so I know how to think about, how to go about a question. So it's easier to solve a question when I see sir solving so many questions. It's easier to think the way I need to think because I've seen him think that way out loud. So that helps. But I think if you solve multiple questions, you'd learn that on your own as well, except it would take too much time. So yeah, about that. Not that I think about it, I think I will mix one shots and I will mix extended lectures the way I've done for ray optics. So there is that. I take lectures like this on 2x speed, right? As far as the number of questions are concerned, I think if you do 400 questions for every chapter, which I've done for ray optics, I've done 400. in yesterday and today. I did ray optics today. I started wave optics, sure, but predominant part of the day was spent in completing ray optics, and yesterday as well. Started ray optics yesterday. So if you do 400 questions on your own of a chapter from anywhere, literally, please pick a legit source. I use NEET Prep. I use questions from NEET Prep. They are good. I like them and they help me. Use a legit source of questions, 400 questions, and see your lectures in 2x. Skip everything except the part where sir literally teaches you what is there in the chapter, or ma'am, whatever, whoever is your teacher. You would be able to complete a syllabus quickly. That is how I complete my chapters quickly, and as a result, I will complete my syllabus quickly. In relatively short periods of time. I have completed my syllabus. I mean, I haven't yet completed my syllabus. I will complete my syllabus in the next 15 to 20 days. Yeah, give me 15 to 20 days, I'll be able to complete my syllabus at least once for the first time. Yeah. A little late than what I thought I would when I thought I would complete it. I thought I would complete my syllabus in January, right? Yeah, 15 to 20 days. It is extended. But I'll do it. I'll do it. We all will. But this is how I do it. A lot of you were asking, and I thought, why not come over here and tell it to you? I'm sorry again, it took me a lot of time to come online. I was preoccupied, if you may, in completing the syllabus and everything. I hope you would understand. Yeah. So motherfucker. Yeah, yes, there is that. Have a good day, all.